right, so right here I'm using the same plastic pieces that come on the Caprice. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work on a Cadillac, but it looks like it's working on this car. So right now I just shaved this piece off right here, and this is off of a Sunbird. I shaved it off a little bit. Obviously I cut this off, which is gonna get molded, but see that right there? I already did that side. That side's good, it's perfect. So what I'm gonna do here is, see if I can lower that down. I need to shave this part on this plastic. So in order to get that, I'm gonna jump this over so it can meet up on this edge, but also still be tucked in down here. I don't know if you can see that. And that's what we're gonna be cutting off on that one. All right, so that's it right there. So you might have to shave it a little bit more because of some material that might be in there, but other than that, if you get a tighter fit, even better. Alright, so I'm about to show everybody how I did that side over there. So what I did was I cut a piece of aluminum that I already had here. I believe this is about 1 inch by 1 inch. And it's just gonna go right here. And what this is gonna do right here is that I'm gonna make it to, just like over there, I made it to where I could bolt it, remove this piece, so it's bolted to the car right here. And also at the same time, I can go ahead and bolt this down to this aluminum piece. So pretty much this goes on here, that goes on there, and yeah, it's gonna look like that. So let me just go ahead and do this and check it out. So obviously my window's not going to be able to go in through here, so I would have to take this piece off to put the window in. But I mean, when you're making something custom, you got to invent your own braces. Too much. Ta-damn. Looks good to me. Oh yeah. Beautiful, my size. Alright, now the seat is done and trimmed out. It's not perfect, but when it's right there, it's not, you're not going to be able to see all that. Like my upholstery skills? Yeah. All I did was just don't cut the material from this side. You want to just figure out how much it's gonna fit in there. You have to figure out those measurements and then just cut it starting from the back forward, taking off all the brackets and the foam. And I'm just gonna see if this works for now. I might just have an upholstery guy go ahead and fix that later, but this is just to see for fitment right now.